In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones, Realme has consistently been at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with each new release. Their latest offering, the Realme 11 Pro Plus, is no exception. Packed with cutting-edge technology and groundbreaking features, the Realme 11 Pro Plus is poised to redefine the smartphone experience for users worldwide. One of the first things that strikes you about the Realme 11 Pro Plus is its stunning design. With sleek curves, a premium build quality, and a range of vibrant color options, the phone exudes sophistication and style. The centerpiece of the device is its expansive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, which delivers breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crisp detail. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web, the Realme 11 Pro Plus offers an immersive viewing experience like no other. Under the hood, the Realme 11 Pro Plus packs a punch with its powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and up to 12 GB of RAM. This combination of hardware ensures smooth performance, seamless multitasking, and lightning-fast app loading times. Whether you're gaming, streaming content, or tackling productivity tasks, the Realme 11 Pro Plus delivers unparalleled performance and responsiveness, keeping up with your every move without missing a beat. One of the standout features of the Realme 11 Pro Plus is its innovative camera system. Equipped with a quad camera setup, including a jaw-dropping 108-megapixel primary lens, ultra-wide-angle lens, macro lens, and depth sensor, the phone offers unparalleled versatility and creativity when it comes to capturing photos and videos. From stunning landscapes to detailed close-ups, the Realme 11 Pro Plus delivers exceptional image quality in any lighting condition, allowing you to unleash your inner photographer and capture life's moments with stunning clarity and detail. With a large battery capacity and fast charging capabilities, the Realme 11 Pro Plus ensures that you stay powered up and ready for anything. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing the web, you can count on the Realme 11 Pro Plus to keep up with your busy lifestyle without needing constant recharges. Plus, with advanced battery optimization features, you can maximize your battery life and get more done on the go without worrying about running out of power. The Realme 11 Pro Plus offers a seamless and intuitive user experience, thanks to its customizable interface, intuitive navigation gestures, and advanced security features. With facial recognition and in-display fingerprint scanning, you can unlock your phone quickly and securely, keeping your personal information safe from prying eyes. Plus, with a range of software enhancements and optimizations, the Realme 11 Pro Plus offers a smooth and responsive user experience that's tailored to your needs. When it comes to connectivity, the Realme 11 Pro Plus has you covered. With support for 5G networks, dual SIM functionality, and advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, you can stay connected wherever you go. Whether you're streaming high-definition content, downloading large files, or video calling friends and family, the Realme 11 Pro Plus ensures a fast and reliable connection that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. In conclusion, the Realme 11 Pro Plus is a true game-changer in the world of smartphones. With its stunning design, breathtaking display, powerful performance, innovative camera system, long-lasting battery life, seamless user experience, and robust connectivity options, it offers everything you need and more in a modern smartphone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography buff, or a busy professional, the Realme 11 Pro Plus is sure to impress with its unmatched combination of style, performance, and innovation. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.